Yeah. Came in 17. Damn. Give me my money.
So welcome guys, in this tutorial video we'll learn how to create a slow-mo video. So the first thing we'll be doing is inputting our video like I've done here. As you can see, the video is around 38 seconds. So as you can see, the color grading and everything is not really okay. So I'll be increasing my temperature and increasing my highlights. So go to adjustment, then go to my temperature to around 28, while my highlight to around -8. So as you can see, it's really cool here. So let's go through it and see how it looks like. So the next thing I'll be doing is adding my cinematic frame to make it more good and attractive. Okay, let me adjust it a little bit. Okay, let me increase the duration also to the maximum duration of the video. So after that, we'll be cutting our video footage. So I'll be cutting from 3 seconds before because the manual we are using has not shown up, so I've cut that already. Then I split it again and 5 seconds to 6, and I'll be splitting around 24.5 seconds also. So I carry trim left, so I play the footage again for you to see how it looks like. The color grading, the cinematic frame are very compatible and looks so very real. So if we're going to our speed, then as you can see we have 0.125 and 0.5, so we're using in between 0.125 and 0.5. So kindly like and subscribe to get more video editing tips like this, because I drop them twice a week. So let's continue from where we stopped. You can see the video is slow because of what we actually used. As you can see, it's slow right here. So as you can see, the second footage is still fast because we have not added any speed feature or any slow-mo feature. So let's add it here. So we're going to 0.125 and 0.5. That's it. So let's play again. But for that, we'll be increasing the cinematic frame duration because of the slow-mo, and allow it to be lacking behind. So let's play. That's not shown. Okay, as you can see, stepping already. Guys, kindly like and subscribe for more video editing tips, and thanks for watching.